I am Sean Troy. I am Tom Lee.
How you feel the Philippines in the last time you were here?
최근에 온 게 저랑
It's like most recent visit was on the 1st of January this year. Simone, Linus, and Julian came for the ad shoot for the ads for the chicken brand in Korea, and for the whole Super Junior was I think last year when they had the concert for the Super Show in Manila.
How do you feel that, after your fans clamored for it, now you guys are here and you guys are already shooting for Bench?
팬분들이 세상을 볼 수 없고요. 그 전에 이제 팬분들을
Well, first of all, they are very thankful to Filipino fans that they always support and give love to Super Junior.
So this is your third time to visit the Philippines? Third or fourth? Fourth, right? Okay. So I'm sure you guys have learned a couple of Filipino words already. So can you share with us the words that you have learned? Filipino words.
마법을 팬마법.
I'll teach you this. Say, mahal ko kayo.
Mahal ko kayo.
There, that means I love you. What is your message to your Filipino fans?
Thank you so much for your love and support them always. And because of your love and support, they came here in Manila, which they will have concert here.
So there you have it. Elf fans, Super Junior fans, they said that they want to come back here and have a concert. So yan, kailangan abangan natin yan. Thank you to George Liangzon, Lawrence Kua, and of course Mr. Ben Chan of the Bench family. Thank you so much to John Pagidua and to Alex Carbonell of Studio Fix for my hair. Thank you so much to Vance, to Pila, to Fulton Hung, and to Glow Tattoo for my Wi-Fi. Tuloy-tuloy po pag-follow